Article 25 continued, Section 4. Whenever the Vice President and a majority of either the principal officers and the executive departments or of such other body as Congress may by law provide transmit to the President pro tempore of the Senate and the House and the Speaker of the House of Representatives their written declaration that the President is unable to discharge the power and duties of his office, the Vice President shall immediately assume the power and duties of the office as acting President. Thereafter, when the President transmits to the President pro tempore of the Senate and the Speaker of the House of Representatives his written declaration that no inability exists, he shall resume the powers and duties of his office unless the Vice President and a majority of either the principal officers of the executive department or of such other bodies as Congress may by law provide transmit within 4 days to the President pro tempore of the Senate and the Speaker of the House of Representatives their written declaration that the President is unable to discharge the powers and duties of his office. Thereupon Congress shall decide the issue and assembling when 48 hours for the purpose is not in session. If the Congress within 21 days after receipt of the letter written declaration, or if the Congress is not in session within 21 days after the Congress is required to assemble, determines by a 2/3 vote of both houses that the President is unable to discharge the powers and duties of his office, the Vice President shall continue to discharge the same as acting President. Otherwise, the President shall resume the powers and duties of his office. Amendment number 26, passed by Congress March 23, 1971, ratified July 1st, 1971. Note, Amendment 14, Section 2 of the Constitution was modified by Section 1 of the 26th Amendment. Section 1. The right of citizens of the United States who are 18 years of age or older to vote shall not be denied or abridged by the United States or any state or by any state on account of age. Section 2. The Congress shall have the power to enforce this article by appropriate legislation. Amendment number 27. Originally proposed September 25, 1789 and ratified on May 7, 1992. No law varying the compensation for the services of senators and representatives shall take effect until an election of representatives shall have intervened.